mixer handover. We walk the talk. We launch our Black November promotion, and we are here in Nairobi at a school project, handing over a mixer to the contractor to help him execute the work smoothly, efficiently, and also to show our support and our partnership.
We do appreciate for the machine and for the everything done for us, and tunashukuru sana.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I would like to thank C-Max for the technical, the sales support, and even the follow-up after sales service that they provided. I recommend them for any discerning contractor, client, consultants looking for a fast-paced project that is cost-effective, that is technically and structurally sound. EPS by C-Max is the way to go.